Alright, a new message from Max. It says, finally nailed down the About Us page. Grabbing a drip coffee and we'll be back in a few with the next wireframe. Check out 002.aboutmagnificent wireframe PNG and 3 aboutmagnificentcontent.html in your Dropbox steps folder. I'll keep adding files in there as we go. Thanks. Okay, let's go to our steps folder. Again, this is in our resource pack. And let's open up the second step about magnificent wireframe.png. So this is pretty straightforward. We have a placeholder for the header and a sidebar just to indicate where this content is supposed to display. We have a title and we have content. And then the content itself is in the third step here, about magnificent content. So this content comes from a Google Doc that's been exported as an HTML file. So we have the title and we have the content. So let's add this page. I'm going to copy the title here and we'll jump back to our site and go to content, add content, basic page. I'll paste in the title. I'll go back to our content for the About Us page and copy all of the body, and I'm going to paste it in right here. You can see as we do that a lot of the formatting is preserved between the HTML that we copied and the WYSIWYG. There's some additional spacing here, so I'm going to remove that. And then this link here will just have to be a placeholder until we actually set up the page for this upcoming season. I'm going to leave all of our other settings at their defaults, and I'll click Save and Publish.